How to do URL redirects in Squarespace. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Squarespace config website. Then from in there, you should be able to see this. Scroll down to your left sidebar until you can see this gear icon for your settings. Make sure to open this. After that, you should be able to see in here your settings for your actual website. So you can head over and then locate the advanced settings for this. You can also proceed to actually click onto the search bar and search in here for URL mapping. So click on this URL mapping option. Then after that, you will be redirected right here. It's under the developer tools. So Squarespace URL mappings allow you to change the location of certain URLs on your site. The rules will only be applied when no real mapping is found. So for this case, what you can do is you can just input right here the actual URL of your old page. So for example, let's input right here squarespace.com. And for example, let's input events one. And then you actually just need to input right here this option or this elements, which is an arrow and then a slash, and enter right here your new page. For example, let's name this squarespace.com/events. After that, proceed to click on save right there. So that's how you do URL redirects in Squarespace. Hope you helped.